What to pay attention to on September 29. A breakdown of fundamental events for beginners. Fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis. What to pay attention to on September 29. A breakdown of fundamental events for beginners. Macroeconomic report analysis. The premium article will be available in 000029.09.202580 AM. The premium article will be available in 000029.09.202580 AM. Macroeconomic report analysis. No significant macroeconomic reports are scheduled for Monday. Both the euro and the pound are recovering after declines seen over the past 1.5 to 2 weeks. We believe the macroeconomic and fundamental background remains unfavorable for the US dollar. Therefore, we expect the bearish trend in both currency pairs to come to an end, with European currencies likely resuming their upward movement. Fundamental events analysis. Today's calendar fresh articles are available only to premium users. Read analytics in early access. Getting information first. Get best MetaTrader indicators. Profitable expert advisors.